Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Jamaica will not take part in the men's 4x400 metre relay at this summer's Olympic Games after the country came up short in their last-ditch effort to qualify the team to Paris as the curtains came down on the J3A's National Senior and Junior Championships on Sunday. But as we begin our build-up to the Paris Games, tonight we also look back at the 200 metre performances from the national trials. The task was simple in theory. Run faster than 2 minutes 59.12 seconds to edge out Zambia for the final spot at the Olympic Games. Jamaica fielded 3 teams, a gold, green and a black team, to compete alongside St. Vincent and the Grenadines. But the nation's chances took a hit when it was announced that Sean Bailey and Malik James King from the gold team withdrew on the eve of the race. In the end, it was the Jamaica Green Quartet who won, crossing the line in 2 minutes 59.87 seconds.
Away they go.
In the meantime, Sharika Jackson remained on course to add the 200 metre Olympic title to her 2 world titles after taking her 3rd national title at the half-lap event. She clocked 22.29 seconds to win on Sunday, well below her lofty standards, but says she'll now begin intense work to be in top shape for the Olympics.
We have a month to go, you know. As I said, to get to achieve great things at the Paris, you have to pass to the championship. The championship is completed 100 and 200 again, so I'm happy. I don't think I'll be racing a lot, so it's just to fix the P's and the Q's and we'll be ready for Paris.
And on the men's side, Brian Lavelle showed he has now emerged onto the senior scene with his 19.97 seconds clocking to dethrone Andrew Hudson as national champion. The 20-year-old world junior silver medalist says his best is still yet to come, while giving credit to coach Shaniki Osborne.
I mean, the transition has been good, knowing that both of us have been working really hard. Morning, the evening, go out there, put in the work in practice, and I trust her. And that's the best thing you could ever do with a coach and a lead, just to trust the coach.
Lavelle's sub-20 clocking saw him join an exclusive club of Jamaican sprinters to have clocked sub-10 over 100 and sub-20 over 200 metres.